What you are about to hear is real. It has not been edited or enhanced. It is the burp of Holly Black. This burp was recorded in January 2005. Holly Black died in 1987. Electronic Voice Phenomenon, EVP, is the process by which the dead, through pizza and Sunkist, communicate with the living by passing gas through their throats. What we all hope to be true is in fact possible. Our loved ones can reach us. But if gas can come through, what else can come through?
Oh god, this chunk's flying. Right, pretend it's pudding. No way, that's...
Oh, I can taste what I ate. I ate a lot of damn pizza.
The subject of some Weed Weather 4203 films is so disturbing that those who experience them will never be the same again. Black noise.
Wow, it really does smell in here. I'm done. Excuse me. And thank you.